What's good, everybody? Welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be giving you guys tips on what to do before and what to do after a haircut. Okay, so without further ado, let's get into the video. Alright guys, so what you want to do is prepare 2 days ahead of time. So what you're gonna do is, let's just say you getting your haircut Friday. Alright, so Wednesday you're gonna wash your hair. Wednesday night you're gonna wash your hair. And then once your hair dries out from the washing style, then the next thing you're gonna wanna do is take your do-rag off when it dries and start just get a good brush session in, lay the hair down, okay? So, and you're gonna put your do-rag back on, you know what I'm saying? Go to sleep, whatever. Next morning, you'll get up. You got 2 choices. Either you can put the oil in early that morning, or you can put it in the night before the haircut. But me, what I do is, that Thursday, I'm gonna wake up, I'm not even gonna have my do-rag on all day. I'm gonna just let my hair air out. And after that, then I'll put some oil in my head. And I have a massive brush session the night before. And a lot of people always say, oh, why would you brush your hair the night before? It's not gonna make a difference, your hair is not gonna move, or it's not gonna make any progress. I still like to do it, it's just what I do, okay? Call me a weirdo, hey. Anyways, so what you're gonna do is put some oil in your head the night before and just let them oils marinate in your head. Alright, so and the reason why I'm telling you this, guys, because your barber, they're gonna have a problem not brushing, but clipping your hair, cutting your hair. They're gonna have a problem with that. So you basically want to make sure that they're having it easy, because you want to make sure your waves are perfect. You want to make sure they come out looking nice. It's real crisp, you know what I'm saying? Crisp. So yeah, you want to do that, alright? So once you go to the barber shop, get your hair cut, you know, your barber, your clippers are clean, your hair looking clean, you know what I'm saying? Everybody clean, you know? Especially with this coronavirus going on, you want to make sure, well, I'm gonna get a haircut. But anyways, alright, so we getting off topic, guys. Alright, so basically, once you get the haircut, what you want to do is, now some people, they wash their hair the day after they get the cut, or the day of their cut. I don't think this, well, in my opinion, it's not, well, never mind. We're not gonna say that, okay? We're not gonna offend anybody. I know a lot of people in the wave community gonna say, oh, you're wrong for that, so, okay, we're gonna leave that alone. Now, yeah, I'm just rambling, guys. All right, yeah, so basically what I would do is, I wash my hair the day before, and then I just let my hair air out the whole day, because I would get my hair cut early in the morning. My barber, he's early bird gets the worm. He's that type of guy. All right, so basically what you're gonna do is, just the whole day, just at work, letting it air out. Then once you get home, you're gonna have a massive brush session, but it's only gonna be with the soft brush, because you want to get all those loose hairs out your head, and then put your do-rag back on, and next morning, that's when you want to start putting product in your hair, okay? You want, if that's what you want to do, okay? Some people wait a whole week before they put product in their head, but I'm over that phase. I figured out my hair. I know what my hair works with. I know what works with my hair, so we're gonna do it like that. So basically, what I would do is, I'll put the moisturizer in my head first, brush it in with the soft brush, then I'll put the oil in, brush it in with the soft brush, and then put the pomade in and brush it with the soft brush. Then after that, I get the medium brush, just have a massive brush session, you know what I'm saying? 30 minutes to 30 to 45 minutes, what you want to do. As long as it's 30 minutes or more, nothing under 30 minutes. Because I know you guys are impatient, y'all want to have them waves quick. So 30 minutes to an hour will help if you do it every day. It's a routine thing, okay? And so that's the thing, guys. Keep that routine going. Whatever works for your hair, whatever works for your routine, keep it up. Because I'm telling you, routinely brush sessions is definitely gonna get your waves quick. So that's the key though, okay? So make sure when you're doing all that, take your time, plan it out, and that's about it, man. Just prepare yourself though. Alright, so yeah, I'm basically gonna give you guys a little gem, you know what I'm saying? Like a little gem, I'm gonna throw the gem at you. So you basically want to make sure you get a little water, like just a little bit, like, all right, so I'm gonna give you an example, like that much. You just want that much and just rub it in your hair before you brush your hair. I say do that 2 days after the cut. I mean, after you put the product in your hair. Do it like 2 days after you put the product in your hair. And that's gonna help your hair move, because when your hair is moist, yeah, we're gonna keep it PG-13. When your hair is moist, you want to that's gonna make your hair like real soft, and it's gonna be easy to move around, and definitely your crown area, because your crown area is very hard to maintain when you're just starting off as a beginner. So just take your time, follow the steps. If you want to try my steps, you can do that. There's other waves out there that have YouTube channels, or you can go on the wave pages and just figure out some information that may help you. But I'm just telling you guys, for me, that's what works for me, because I had a routine daily, day in and day out. I was following other YouTubers and how they do stuff. Then after a while, I was like, this is not working for me. I'm gonna just keep doing this. Like literally, like when I figured it out. So piece by piece, I got everything from other people. From a guy named Cash the Waving. I realized like putting those 3 different products in my head at the same time, it helped seal the product in my hair, and that definitely kept my hair laid. Another person that kind of helped my crown area. I'm kind of being lazy. That's really the reason why my crown is not looking the way I expect it to be. What's her name? RG3. She's one of the OGs in the wave game. She's definitely got a lot of knowledge on waves. I'm gonna link those 2 people in the description so you guys can follow them, show them some love. But yeah, if it wasn't for those 2, like as far as that go, I definitely wouldn't have had the my hair wouldn't have went to the next level. Okay, so that's about it, man. We just gonna get a little brush session in, and